Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll down to the system and click on date and time. As you can see, now we are using network provided time and time zone, but in order to set it manually, then simply tap on automatic date and time and click on off. And as you can see now, the date and time are active, so it means that we can tap on it and manually change another date. Let's click on OK and let's set the time. And click on OK if you are ready. And as you can see, it immediately changes. The same situation will be with the time zone. Now we are using network provided time zone, but after tapping on the switcher, we can activate the manually selecting time zone. So let's tap on it and let's choose the time zone we want to use. What's more, we can decide if we want to use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format. In order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here to turn off the 24-hour format, and as you can see, it also is immediately applied. In order to get back to all previous settings, then just tap on the switcher here to use 24-hour format. Let's click on automatic time zone on the switcher right here, and let's tap on automatic date and time and choose use network provided time. And as you can see, everything got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.